the Romeo and Julieta, three string, tuned D, A, D. Okay, so this one actually has a piezo pickup and a magnetic pickup, so I'll run those through the amp. Okay, starting out with the piezo, you get all the knocks and hits, so you can be percussive with it. I like the sound of those disc piezos. Also have some spring reverb in this one. Wound up putting 3 springs in it of varying tension. So you hear that reverb with the spring, with the piezo pickup. But if you don't want all that extra and you want to pick up just the string sounds, we can switch to the magnetic pickup. This has a flat humbucker from MGB Guitars. So you get just the pure string sound. You don't have all that other stuff going on like the piezo. But with the selector switch, we can go in between. And we get a little bit of both. This is plugged in to the recorder, not through the amp. So you're going to be hearing sounds straight from the guitar's pickups. Let's start with the magnetic pickup, since that's what's turned on right now. let's switch to the piezo pickup. Of course, you're going to hear all the knocks and those resonator springs really well this way. Okay, so let's play basically the same thing. I'm making it up as I go. I'm trying to make a comparison here. I like this guitar. It's one of my favorites now. At least until I build the next one.